Venus is the second planet from the Sun and is the brightest object in the sky after the Sun and the Moon. It is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. Venus has a similar size, mass, and composition to Earth, and is sometimes referred to as Earth's sister planet. However, it has a very different environment, with a thick atmosphere composed primarily of carbon dioxide that causes a runaway greenhouse effect, making it the hottest planet in the solar system. Because of its proximity to Earth and its brightness, Venus has been known since ancient times and has been observed by civilizations around the world. In the modern era, several spacecraft have been sent to Venus to study its environment, including the Soviet Union's Venera series and NASA's Magellan mission. How long is a day on Venus? A day on Venus is very long compared to Earth. It takes Venus about 243 Earth days to complete one rotation on its axis, which is longer than Venus's year, which is about 225 Earth days. This means that a day on Venus is longer than its year. Furthermore, Venus rotates in the opposite direction to most other planets in the solar system, so if you were standing on the surface of Venus, the Sun would rise in the west and set in the east. This retrograde rotation is thought to have been caused by a large collision with another object early in the history of the solar system. How far is Venus from Earth? The distance between Venus and Earth can vary depending on their relative positions in their orbits around the Sun, as both planets have elliptical orbits. On average, Venus is about 41 million kilometers, 25 million miles, away from Earth, but at its closest approach, which is called inferior conjunction, it can be as close as 38 million kilometers, 24 million miles, from Earth. At its furthest distance, which is called superior conjunction, Venus can be as far away as 261 million kilometers, 162 million miles, from Earth. Because of its relatively close proximity to Earth and its brightness, Venus is one of the brightest objects in the night sky and can often be seen with the naked eye. How big is Venus? Venus is a similar size to Earth, with a diameter of approximately 12,104 kilometers, 7,521 miles. This makes it the second smallest planet in the solar system, just slightly smaller than Earth. Venus has a mass of about 4.87 times 10 to the power of 24 kilograms, which is about 81% of Earth's mass. Despite its similarity in size and mass to Earth, Venus has a very different environment. Its thick atmosphere, composed primarily of carbon dioxide, creates a runaway greenhouse effect that makes the planet much hotter than Earth, with surface temperatures that can reach up to 471 degrees Celsius (880 degrees Fahrenheit). The atmospheric pressure on Venus's surface is also about 92 times greater than Earth's, which is equivalent to the pressure you would experience at a depth of about 1 kilometer (0.6 miles) beneath the ocean on Earth.